So excited for this girly vlog. I'm just finishing up getting ready for the day. I just have to do my lip combo and then I'll show you guys how I do my hair. This is how I sleep with my Dyson Airwrap curls. If you have trouble with your Dyson Airwrap curls staying, it is a must to sleep in the pin curls from the Dyson. They will literally last all day and then some. My hair is very fine. Usually it doesn't whole curl. Did some lip liner, now lipstick. Then I'll take out the pin curls. It has been the craziest like week or two. I thought like Black Friday time was crazy with work, but this is like on another level of like such a busy time, especially like with Christmas. So I own an online clothing store. If you guys don't know, Cameras, we did our first Christmas market. We were a vendor at a Christmas market, which was so much fun. It was for all women-owned businesses, and it was so nice to get to connect and chat with other women-owned businesses and just be part of that. So it was so fun. So we had our setup, and I'll show you guys like a little video of it, but it was so fun and I just was really glad I did it. This was the first year, like I said, we've ever done anything like in person at a market. So this was just so much fun and I'm so glad I did it. The whole week leading up to that, there was just so much behind the scenes to set for that. And then in general, Karen Rose were all the pre-orders on the Chanel pieces, the repurposed jewelry, but we had so many. My mom was helping me. She loves to help me package the Karen Rose. So we were packaging till late, having like late nights and trying to get them all out for you guys before the shipping cut off. And so we luckily got all that done. They were all shipped. And then I finally finished my Christmas shopping yesterday. So I'm filming this on Tuesday, finished on Monday. And I feel so good about it now. There were just some last minute, I got the bulk of it like way before, but I just, you know how those things go. You're like looking at the gifts thinking I need something else with it. One or two things I changed my mind and got something else. So are you guys done with your Christmas shopping? I feel so good now that it's like completely done now. I just have to wrap. Maybe I'll show you guys my little wrapping setup. I have so much to share in this vlog with you guys. I'm gonna be showing like my holiday home, show you guys my entryway. I finally like decorated that space. I finally found pieces. There was a mirror I'd been eyeing for a while, but I was waiting for it to go on sale. Also, I know so many of us are gonna be twinning. They're so comfy, by the way, too. Like hundreds of you guys ordered them and they're so cute. I can't get over them. Here, I'll show you guys how they look. I sized up and they're a very loose fit, but they're so darling and literally giving off Love Shack vibes. So of course, anything with a bow, you guys, I'm just obsessed with. Oh, I got some recent things from TJ or Marshall's. I went shopping the other day there. I seriously need to stop myself from going there because every time I go, I find a bunch of things that are just way too cute. How could I pass them up? I'm gonna spray my hair and be back because I don't want to spray hairspray in my room. Okay. Just sprayed my hair in place. It is looking a little full right now. It will tame as, you know, the hours go by, and the curls still last even without my extensions. Like it still is just like the same long lasting effect. Like I said, definitely do the Dyson trick I told you guys if you have one and you're like discouraged by it. I have so much to share. So I'm gonna get dressed for the day out of these pajamas. I have to pick an outfit, but I'll be doing a whole tour today to show you guys everything. A little dose of reality. I'm going to get changed, but I wanted to share that not everything in my house is all organized all the time. Like literally, my closet is a mess and I haven't had any time to just tidy it up. Okay, I decided on this for my OOTD. I'm wearing this really cozy Sherpa jacket. It's pink gingham and it's so darling. And then I have on this cami and then these just like brown leggings. By the way, this just came in from my niece in the mail and she is going to love this. She's having a Minnie Mouse moment. She says Mimi and it's so cute and I thought she would like this. It like says that it dances and sings. So we are in my foyer now because I'm going to change out this area rug here, or this like entry rug. It got so dirty, just of course from like all the traffic, and I just wanted something to blend a little bit better with my decor and like the vibe I'm going for. So I got it in. It's from Ruggable, but this is not sponsored. I know a lot of people are sponsored by them, but I have purchased my Ruggable rugs with my own money. I have one in my living room, which I'll show you guys, but I am so excited to transform. I really think it'll transform the whole vibe of this space. So here's the before and here it is after. This has like a vintagey kind of faded look to it, but it has shades of rose and green to it, but it's very pretty, probably with like less of the fading in the middle, and it's washable, which I love. Here is how the foyer looks. This is my new bow mirror, and then here's a little peek at my Palm Beach room. It is still in progress. I finally got someone they're gonna be coming for wallpaper soon, and yeah, I'm really, really excited about it. There's so much styling I'm gonna be doing to this room, but this is just the base of the whole room. So I'm gonna show a little tour of my living room, how I decorated it for Christmas. I'll do this little table last, but here is the room. It is just all neutral Christmas, and I really love how it turned out. And yes, I did find an end table finally, so very excited about that. But here is my tree. Pretty much used a lot of the decorations I've had from over the years or from last year, and I just love the neutral aesthetic. And the magnolias on here. I still have to add the star topper, which I do have right here. And then moving over to the mantle area, and then I added these little taper candle holders. These are new ones, but I've had these tapers since last year. I'll show you guys a tour of this too at night when it's all dark and nice and dim. So it's like really cozy, extra cozy, because it's like really, this is like the brightest, one of the brightest rooms in my house. And then over here, my little gingerbread pillow. This is the other ruggable rug I was telling you guys about. I really love the tone of this one. I have some more pillows over here. And then we have my coffee table, which I did not still find like a short little Christmas like picks to put here yet, and like a little vase. So that I did not find yet, but I'm okay with like not rushing anything. I just want to absolutely love what I'm putting everything into my home. So I'm just, until I find the right thing, I'm just leaving it empty for now. And that is a look at the living room here. So this is one of the prints I got. I'm supposed to have a set of two, like one's a little bit different than the other, but the other one that came in cracked, so they're sending me a replacement. So this will be above this console table. I've been looking for something for so long to complete this, but this is the console table and my little Christmas village. So there's these little houses. I added fairy lights into them, but if I turn them on right now, you're not gonna really see the pretty glow. So at night, I'll show you guys. And just off my foyer, I have this little scallop table, and I added this, which again lights up with the fairy lights in it. I love this. This is very simple, but I really love how it just has a little touch of holiday. Okay, I thought it'd be fun to do a little unboxing of this package I just got in. I just ordered this last week and I'm so excited about it. So here's the packaging. This is their holiday 2024 packaging. I always love their holiday packaging. It's so pretty. I love all the details. So let's see how it looks in person. I'm so excited. I've never seen this in person. I've only seen it online. Okay, so this is definitely the wrong color. I ordered the Rose d'Avance, which is the rosy pink one, but this is like the beige, and so I just contacted my SA. Okay, it is the next day. I'm inserting this because they overnighted me hopefully this is the correct color. So let's unbox it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty and it's so gorgeous. I love it so much. So very excited. I just got also this like new pink coat that I was gonna pair with it. And then they also sent over this really gorgeous holiday card. I mean, look how intricate that is. It is so pretty. And it just says, Dior wishes you a very happy new year 2025. Now I'm gonna do a tour of my kitchen for the holidays. I kept it very simple this year. Just touches of holiday, but I figured I'd just do a general tour anyways. So here's my kitchen table with the wicker chairs. This is the kids' table. I have my nephews and my niece, and for the years to come, I think this would be really cute for them. So I just got this kids' table for the holidays and for get-togethers. And then moving on to the main area of the kitchen. I actually just got this stool. This is from Serena and Lily, and I literally got it for free basically during Black Friday because they sent me in the mail like $100 off coupon off of anything, like no minimum. So this was on sale So I basically got it for free. Like maybe I paid like $5 for it. It was insane. And then here's my kitchen. This is that tray I showed in my girly favorites. And then so I added this greenery around. Last year I got this like flocked one from Marshalls and it was so messy. I constantly had little pieces of the flocking and glitter all over and made such a mess. So I donated it and I got this one without any flocking and I love it so much better. That's like one of the few things I didn't do. Oh, and I also have to add my mini wreath. That's the only other thing that I also didn't do in here that I'm supposed to. Mini wreaths on the back of the chairs with the bows. Over here is the sink area. I just added this little tree here. And then up on the sides of some of the cabinets, I added these wreaths with the velvet bows you can see on each side. And then moving along, oh, my centerpiece. So that has been something I've had for years. And then over here, I just have like my Nutcracker ballerina dish towel. And then over here, like I said, I just have like another little tree. I like how simple it is, but especially at night too, when it's all like a dim look too, it looks so cozy. And now it's time for a haul from Marshalls. I went there the other day and every time I go in there, I always see something that I somehow need. So let's start off with the quite possibly the cutest gift bag I've ever seen. Like I probably now won't even use this to give a gift. I will probably use this as like Christmas decor, like by the tree and stuff, because it is too cute. Like I need to hold on to this. Look at this with the bows and then the wreath with the pink bow. Okay, it's a little blown out. Let me turn down the brightness a second so you guys can see. How cute is that? Is that not the cutest? So I grabbed this and like I said, I'm holding on to it this year, at least for another year to have like by my tree or something, because it's so cute. Like I just can't part with it yet. Okay, when I saw these pajamas, I may have been pulled in because of the packaging, but I thought the packaging would make a really cute storage box. Show you guys, look how cute that is. Like it's a really like sturdy box, so I will definitely be using this. But I also thought the pajamas were cute. It also came with this like velvet ribbon, so it's like really cute for a gift from the Shabby Chic line. So anything from that line always pulls me in. And so it's like gray with the pink piping. This dish towel reminded me so much of like a Love Shack Fancy vibe. And it was like, I think this is now like they're going into Valentine's, of course. So I think this is more Valentine's. First of all, even like the label on it. And in case you guys are looking for the name, this is what it is. But how cute are these towels? They're like a gauzy material, 100% cotton and floral with the bows. It just gave off Love Shack Fancy. And these were just so darling. How could I pass these up? It's called a bow ice tray. It makes like that pebble ice, but in the shape of a bow, and it makes all these different bow shapes. And last but not least, I should have gotten more of these, because actually I could use them around my house for the holidays, but they're multi-use. It says they could be for hair accessories, for your tree, or for gift packaging. But they're just like, they have little twist ties on the back to easily add on to anything. It's these pink velvet bows, and I thought they were so pretty. And then a little look at my room. I'm inserting this here. I'm filming this in the evening, but I just wanted to share how it looks at night because of the tree lit. So this is my little tree. I have to add batteries. This bow lights up. But here's my tree. I'm gonna start collecting ornaments when I travel and stuff. Some ornaments that I got. So this one's really cute. It says, "It was rare, I was there." It's just a nice little way to remember like the surprise songs from my show and stuff like that. So this was cute. And then this is like one of the OG Taylor Swift ornaments I got like literally over 12 years ago. And it's so cute. It plays music. And then there's another one that I have here. For right now, this is kind of like my Swiftie tree. This is another one I got like 12 years ago or 13 years ago. And this is so cute too. It also plays music. It actually still works, which I was very surprised. Then, oh, I also have this one from years ago, back when 1989 launched. And then it just have like pink bows, of course, from the newest ornament drop from Taylor Swift from the Speak Now album. I love the point shoes, of course, because of being a dancer. I love this so much. And that's pretty much it. I just have some ornaments I've had from over the years here too. but I want to start collecting. Like next time I go to Palm Beach, I'm definitely getting a Palm Beach ornament. And then I thought I would share, okay, I really want to quickly show you guys like my organization. I have been using this wrapping paper organizer for a few years now. So this I just got like on Amazon, I think, and it has all of my gift wrapping supplies, actually not just for Christmas, but for really any time of year, but most of it is Christmas, I would say. So on the sides here, I have some gift bags. I even have some like non-Christmassy ones, just like for a birthday or something. And then I also have some newer Christmas ones. Remember, I hauled these from Walmart, so I'll be using them this year. And then I have like, even from the Dollar Tree, they have like a lot of good random things, like these giant gift bags. If you have like a really big gift and it's too big, you know, to wrap and stuff, or it's awkward to wrap, this is really good. And then more gift bags in here and some tissue from like years ago, actually. And then I have these little boxes that are just nice to have on hand that I do collect. Then when I find the perfect gift to add inside them, I will use one of these. And then these are all this is my wrapping paper this year. Couple of these, like the Barbie and the Disney Princess, I've had from the past, like for my niece's gift. This is just a nice neutral one. I love this like pink gingerbread, so cute. Pink bows. Actually, I may not even use this for Christmas and just save this for like a birthday or something, or like a random gift. I thought this would be a nice to have. This one too, it has the nutcracker on it and Santa. I thought it was cute. And this is just so handy. I always have everything in its place, so whenever I want to wrap a gift, then I just open this up and it's all there for me. And then here in my closet, I have my little gift stash. Well, this is actually not everything. I still have like a lot of my nephews and nieces' toys in another room, so I have to gather everything together actually. But this is my little stash. I even have stuff behind this gingham thing because I don't want my mom to see some of her gifts because she works with me. And in case she ever saw them, I just have them hidden. And then a bunch of other things in here. And very excited to gift.